Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to share a really fun game with you guys. This is something that I love having in my house. This is Battleship. So I've played this since I was a kid. I really love this new version that you're able to take with you wherever you go. The packaging is really cute. It literally just all closes up together. It's latched. You don't even need a box. Everything is inside each package that you have, so it's kind of cool. You have a spot for your boats, you have a spot for your little red pieces and your green pieces because you need your hits and your misses. I like playing this game because it kind of helps your child with their gridding math skills, so it's something that's really fun. You have your 5 different ships on here. You have your 2 grids as well. It's something I really enjoy playing with my kids whenever we want something to do. It's just a really classic game, so I really like having the classics that I grew up with and you get to share with your kids, and this is one of them. That's just my point of view.